like I was this, I was that, मैं सब कुछ बन गई. फिर हम लोग सोचे चलो live जाते हैं. So we were live on Instagram and हमारा वही fun zone chit chatting शुरू था. We did not have bank. We were shooting day and night. Like how? And I don't know what happened. I went to their room and there was like we were laughing like crazy.
Well, एक कहते हैं कि co-star की कहानी उनके कलाकार या कि उनके साथ काम करने वाले कलाकार ही बता सकते हैं. और इसीलिए हम आप लोगों के लिए साहिल उप्पल के राज खोलने के लिए या ये कहें रिया शर्मा के राज खोलने के लिए ले आए हैं पिंजरा खूबसूरती का के को एक्टर को, यानी कि हमारी कलाकार रिया शर्मा को, और वो करेंगी रिवील अपने बॉन्ड के बारे में, साहिल के साथ अपनी मस्तियों के बारे में, a little few secrets about Sahil Uppal and herself and a lot more in this fun segment. तो आइए चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ बुलाते हैं रिया को और जानते हैं what all secrets is she gonna reveal in today's fun segment.
The next segment that I have for you here is another one fun that I have gone on your Instagram and we've got a bunch of photos of your Insta posts. I'll be showing you those photos in Yaadon Ki Baarat and you have to tell me that you know uske piche ki kya memory hai, why that kind of a pose, why that kind of a line or that something of that sort. Okay? The first picture that I showed you. What is the memory behind that first picture?
So we were in Ucha Gaon, outskirts of Meerut, Delhi, and abhi we were in a bio bubble, so we were shooting there. So हमारे 200 episodes I guess complete हुए थे, and obviously हम वहाँ पर केक मंगाना and all थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था, so we thought that we'll celebrate however we can. But beautiful and amazing fans, they sent a huge cake for us. I don't know how did they get the address and everything. So obviously we missed the whole team, but वो एक बहुत ही fun सा छोटा सा celebration था, and I was so happy कि I was just thanking God कि 200 episodes हो गए हैं and so many more to go. So yeah.
But then how was the feeling when you guys realized कि okay 200 episodes हो गए हैं, because you know these days serials बहुत ही unpredictable हैं, lockdown के कारण unfortunately काफी ऑफर हुए हैं. So how was the feeling when you realized कि oh we completed 200 का mark?
See, it wasn't just a normal feeling क्योंकि हमारे शो में इतने hurdles आए ना हमें right from the start, because हम लोग launch हमने किया lockdown में, even our producers 5 episode होने के बाद deadline पे they were shooting with me now. I did not get any workshop. It was just like all मतलब hassle. So वो सब first के बाद we did not have bank. We were shooting day and night, like how? So वो सब चीजें मेरे दिमाग में चल रही थी. Actually उस दिन, you know, it was a kaleidoscope of memories. हम लोग कैसे मिले, you know, we bonded and we started shooting. So yeah. तो हाँ वो तो बहुत emotional moment था मेरे लिए.
So what about the second picture?
It's a reel, I guess.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, so again, it's the same day, 200 episodes, and so I have this pressure on myself going on about making reels. I am so bad with the editing, I'm so bad with the reels. I don't know how to do all those moves and all those, you know, what do you call it, transitions and everything. So I was having a tough time, but after so many takes, I made that one stupid reel. I think it's so lame, but again, I posted it. I was like, this is for the sake of it. So yeah, that was that.
So what is the story behind that? I read the caption also though.
Horse hai, ye katta hai, and whatever. So you know what I started was, I love animals. I love animals more than human beings. Let me tell you, I love animals. So मुझे ऐसा लगा ना कि मैं क्या करूं? I wanted to touch him. तो मैंने थोड़ा घास उखाड़ी and then I tried to feed him and he had it, and then it was an everyday routine. तो अब I got used to him and he got used to me. अब उससे मुझे touch, like I used to touch him and he was fine with me. He got comfortable with me. One fine day Sahil comes and he is such a fattu. I'm telling you, Sahil बहुत डरपोक है. बहुत डरपोक था. He doesn't want to show, okay, but उस शक्ल पे दिखता है कि okay fine, he's scared. He wants to go and he wants to touch. मैंने कहा यार टच करो. तो he just went casually कि हाँ ठीक है मैं टच कर लूंगा, ऐसे दिखा के कि हाँ it's not a big deal for me. हल्का सा वो मूव हुआ and he got so panic. He was like तेरी भैंस की. तो it was epic. तो मैंने उनकी भी फोटो खींची थी, if you can see on his Instagram. So yeah, that horse was fun. His name was Rico and I miss him a lot. I loved him. We both loved him. Sahil ko bhi, even he got used to that horse.
Next one is like I think a reel with your mother-in-law और उनके साथ अब वो साथिया का वो reel create कर रहे हैं कि गोपी बहू ये किसने किया and all that वाला scene. So what was the story? Like why did you make that reel? Like were you trying to follow a trend?
No, because Jaya ma'am was like, let's make a reel, everybody's doing that. वो हम लोग बहुत बातें करते हैं, हम लोग यही पूरा शो निकल जाएगा, हम यही बोलते रह जाएंगे, let's make a reel, हमारी बनती नहीं है, वो अलग बात है. But then one fine day we were shooting for a scene and I was in that Nayan look, and she was like, let's make a reel. And मैंने ये निकाल के रखा था for me and Jaya ma'am because it was Saas Boy, I was just, surfing my Insta. तो मैंने कहा हाँ मैम, I have a reel picked out for us. So we played it and it was a kitchen scene. तो हमें तो एकदम बढ़िया setup भी मिल गया उस reel के लिए. So we did it and it was so fun and she's like so to a point.
But how was your bonding with Jaya ma'am? Because I know her, she's pretty fun to be with. So how was your bonding with her?
It was amazing. She's such a sweetheart and we got so close to each other. अभी वो है नहीं. I message them, all of them, like every day. I feel so empty because I got so used to being with them. They used to pamper me so much, especially my dadi, my mother, even Jaya ma'am. We all took care of each other, We are like family.
What was the thought behind it? Because it was so spontaneous. I saw the whole video. It was like so fun, so chill. It quite showed that, कैसे आपका bond है उनके साथ. But what was the thought behind it?
This was like initial days again. And so I don't know why, because of some past experiences, I'm going to open up. I had quite an okay experience with my co-actors. I'm not going to name it. कहाँ से क्या? मेरा experience अच्छा नहीं था. And मैं बहुत like veteran नहीं हूँ. मतलब मैं तो आई ही थी बॉम्बे. So मैं ना बहुत अलग अलग रहती थी और मैं सेट पे भी गई. I was in my own zone. I was very psyched कि मैं किसी से बात नहीं करूंगी. I'll be very cordial. Obviously, I'll be very nice to everyone. But I won't go and just उतना नहीं. Because things mess up. जब भी ऐसा कुछ मैं इतना open up हो जाती थी, जिससे वो सब मेरे mind में था. And then all of a sudden I was in my own zone and दादी comes to my room and says, आप खाएंगे हमारे साथ lunch? So I literally thought in front of her and for good 5, 6, 7 and I was like, okay. अब मैं गई and I don't know what happened. I went to their room and there was like we were laughing like crazy. We just gelled just like that, So हमें पता भी नहीं चला हमारा bond इतना. And the next 3-4 days में I'm on their laps and they are feeding me and it's that bond, फिर अचानक से कुछ नहीं, हम लोग मस्ती कर रहे थे, मेरा शॉट था नहीं and Sahil was shooting and I guess I don't know, but फिर हम लोग चलो लाइव जाते. तो we were live on Instagram and हमारा वही fun zone chit chatting शुरू था. So yeah, that.
I think that this is something that fans have completely loved because this is actually the candid way of how you guys bond and that's what they have loved, I would say.
Oh yeah. The emotions, the love is real between us. Like all of us.
Okay, I'll show you quickly the next one so that you know. The next one is actually from your Chandrakanta days wherein you are making this small reel. You've written that make them stop and stare at you and you are all decked up in your full that character vibe of yours. I'm saying yes, that's the yellow outfit that you are wearing and you have all these headgears and you have this all kamarband and everything on yourself. So you're all decked up. What is the fondest memory that you have from that character?
That character's name was Sunaina. So मुझे वो that itself was really fun. ऐसा कुछ fun memory तो नहीं है, but हाँ मैंने stunts ones बहुत किए थे. I was पहले a thief, then it was revealed that I am actually a princess जो दूसरे kingdom से whatever was that. So yeah, nothing much.
So you got to experiment a lot from this character, I would say.
a lot. Like I was this, I was that. मैं सब कुछ बनी हूँ. And even like luckily even with Mayura, मैं सब कुछ बनी हूँ. Like disguise look हो गया. Now ये character हो गया. Mayura का character हो गया. Everything.
Perfect. Okay, the last two pictures, luckily, I would say. The last picture is, I think, again from your Chandrakanta days only, wherein you're with your team, and I think you have this yellow car.
It was Maharaj ki jai ho.
Yes. So I think it's from 2020. Skip 2020. आपने लिखा हुआ है. And you've just posted a picture where you guys are just posing in front of this car, yellow car, and then you're just in a jungle का backdrop है.
हाँ जी. It was with my co-actors.
What is the memory behind this fun photo of yours with your co-stars from back those days?
It was the last day of a shoot, and that car is itself a memory. हम लोग इतना घूमे हैं उस कार से, तो कभी कोई ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ है, कभी हम नीचे हैं.
The last photo I think is from your school days or something, or maybe your friends के साथ आप कुछ हैं. 2017 का पिक्चर है जहाँ पे you have these doggy filter on जब वो बहुत ट्रेंड में निकला था, and then you have written on it that you can't smoke with us. उधर मेरे को सिर्फ ये जानना है, what is that one trend that you have followed?
I just remember Snapchat. उस टाइम की तो वाइब ही अलग थी. Like my whole life was around Snapchat, and I used to talk to my friends एकदम फोटो खींच के. WhatsApp, I'm in my bed. So that's how I used to talk.
यानी विशाखा के साथ बुलाते हैं रिया को और जानते हैं what all secrets is she gonna reveal in today's fun segment. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this fun segment with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहां आज रिया शर्मा कर रही थी अपने को-एक्टर साहिल उत्पल के बारे में कुछ खास फन खुलासे. Well, we really hope कि आप लोगों को पिंजरा खूबसूरती का कि इस कलाकार Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.